Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher. We are here once again to spend time with you, exchange knowledge, share on things that matter, and make sure we are becoming more effective in our relationship and life as we, breathe air and live every day. Well, to start with, I would just want to tell you, if you are here for the first time, then it will be good for you to take time after this program to watch the previous programs, because today we are continuing from on a topic that we have already started in dealing with excellence. And also sometimes we do mention things in passing, and therefore we don't deal with them in details if we had already dealt with that in previous programs. So it is very, very important for you to watch the previous programs. Also, I would like everyone who is here listening, watching me right now, to spend some time and like this channel and share with your friends, invite others to join, so that we will not be egoistic, just living our life for ourselves, but what we have to have others also hear, and we can also hear back from them and learn from one another. So today's topic is continuing in excellence. Continuing in excellence. Excellence is not like what you achieve and that's it. If you are a person with the hallmark of excellence, then you must always be ready to live that standard. And that standard of excellence is determined by how much you put in and how well you understand and how you can stick out. It's not a race. Like I say always, that what you can do at the level that you can do best. For you, if you are going to be, evaluated, then it's going to be an excellent evaluation for you. But if you don't give your all, then we cannot, really say you did well, because whatever you left undone becomes a minus. It is really, really important. But there are a few things that we still need to know as we, get ourselves ready to live a life of excellence. We must be creative and we must be innovative. It is absolutely important. Creativity and innovation are all marks of excellence. If you cannot take the thing beyond where it is, if you cannot bring out another way of doing stuff, you will not stick out and you will not stand out. And what you do will not have that category of being excellent. So you must always learn to push yourself. And what I mean by pushing yourself is get the best out of you. Ask yourself, what else can I do? How can I make this better? And the more you think through stuff, the more you demand on the gifts inside you to begin to come up. So you don't have to look at what you are doing in comparison with what others are doing. If you want to be innovative in the things you are doing, you are not comparing yourself with others and saying, well, I have done better, so I'm okay. No, you have to see things from the viewpoint of what is the needs around. So you don't just provide what you can do, but you provide what is needed. So if what you can do, does not meet the demands, then you have to refine it, revisit your, stuff, and see how best you can make it tangible. It is absolutely important for you to eliminate the thought of comparison. I want to compare with the other company. Yes, we're doing similar things, and I think I'm doing better than him, so I'm okay. No, your duty is to fulfill, if you like, the desire of the customer. Whatever you produce must satisfy someone. Whatever you give, somebody should be happy receiving it. If the person receiving it is not happy, then you have not succeeded in giving out what you have produced. You need to go back to the drawing board and check what is okay and what is not okay. Don't be self-centered if you want to achieve excellence. To achieve excellence, you don't think about myself, me, and I. You think about what is the effect on the other people, especially the one who receives it, the last recipient of what you have. So innovation has to bring you into a place where you have a little bit of a business mindset. It is exchange, and everybody should be happy from both ends. It's about creating value and challenging the culture and how things are done around you. You must be ready to challenge the culture and also create value for what you are doing. If you want to achieve excellence, make sure you challenge things that are not working, and you also create value. Add value to what you have. Maybe a little niche here and there. You ask people, when you take my product, what do you feel? When you hold that cup, how do you feel? Oh, I think I feel very hot. If it's, teacup and the handle is very hot, which means something has to be done. Either the shape should be changed or the material used or whatever. But then when you think about others and they tell you exactly what they want and you take that into consideration, you are able to help them and make them what? Satisfied. And once you satisfy someone, and the person gets results, good results, positive results out of what you produce, then they can rate or grade what you have done as excellent. And never ever forget, you don't live for yourself. So what does it mean for us to be creative? What does it mean for us to bring new stuff out? What does it mean for us to, come out with a new concept? We need to combine ideas and see how best we can put those ideas into becoming a product. Creativity itself is a generic term. It is abstract and has no reference to quality in regards to a specific situation or task. So you have to understand that to be creative, you have to bring out certain talents in you. Creativity is more a drive than a lecture. The thing must be inside, and you should be ready to begin to birth it from the inside. When you are creative, you stand out. When you stand out, that does not mean you have added value, because being unique does not equal having value. Unless the person receiving that thing gets satisfaction, there is no value for the thing. And this is where many people fail on their journey to achieving excellence. This is today's family program. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and you are here listening to how well we should do our stuff in order to be excellent in everything that we do. Is it possible to be excellent? Yes, it is. Absolutely. And you can be an excellent person. We all learning and we all get into that place. I see myself doing things in a better way because I understand much more and I'm ready to give in much more. So things that were like impossible, things that were unachievable, maybe 2 years down the road are now very, very, much closer and reachable. It's just a matter of time. I mean, it's so beautiful when you are able to release the talents, the gifts, and ask yourself to bring out more. And it's not that you are stretching yourself, but actually you are calling for things inside to voluntarily, sort of come. It is so important. So being unique has no value in itself unless it gives the customer something of value. How do you value your time? How do you value your friends? How do you value the books you read? How do you value the things you do from morning to evening? If there is some time wasting, you better need to cut it off and fill it up with something meaningful that will take you to where your destination is. It is absolutely important for all of us to acquire the right tools. Many times people have what it takes, but they don't know how to go about it. It's like having a tool and not knowing what the tool is used for. In your opinion, it's a long metal, and you can use it to prick something from somewhere. But then when you come to know the purpose of that thing, it's a fork and you need to use it whilst you are eating. It's a set of cutlery. So you will now not use it for pinching stuff, but you would use it for its right purpose. You see, many people do not know the purpose. They do not know why something exists. And others also have a problem that they don't look at solutions. When they see the problem, they criticize. But seeing a problem means you must find a way of solution, of bringing solution, of resolving, of making things to work. Because in life, things can go back. And that is why there is what we call repairing. to repair something that is broke. Repairing always is costing maybe cheaper. In some cases, maybe more, but usually it's cheaper than getting to get a new set. And if the thing is not really damaged and could be repaired, why not? So get to know the reason for things that you are using and having. It is absolutely important. We will continue next week, but before I leave you, I want you to understand that being unique does not amount to being successful. You only be successful because of your uniqueness when what you produce or when you exhibit who you are, people get satisfied, and they are those who will determine whether it was excellent or not. But have the mindset of a person of excellence. Tell yourself every day, I do things excellent. And when you say that, go and do the next job and do it excellent. And keep on doing it. Before long, you will know that you have really started a good play on a good path, and you are going to make a good outcome. I wish you every best, and I will continue again. I'm just trying to take my time because I want you to really grasp this one. We will go more in details in the next program. I wish you all the best. And on behalf of everyone here at Today's Family, I look forward to seeing you again, and enjoy the rest of your week. See you next week. Bye-bye.